guys, so we are on multiplying with fives today. And I think you guys are going to do pretty good on this because when you count, when you multiply by 5, then you can count by 5. So your first job is going to make your skip count line here. So 5, 10, 15, 20, you're going to fill that all out, okay? And then you're going to draw jumps of 5 to picture the equation, okay? So they want you to use this here, but you can also use your skip count line if that's easier for you, okay? So this one, 2 times 5. They want you to do 2 jumps of 5. So my first jump would go to 5. And then my next jump, so here's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, there's where I ended up. See that? First jump to 5, and then another 5 gets me at 10. If you would prefer, you can do the same thing up here. So you would have your skip count down, and you could do 2 hops, 5, 10, and see you'd get the same answer, okay? This one you're gonna write the related fact. Remember that that's the flip-flop of the fact. So instead of 5 times 6 for the factors here, you're gonna switch them, and you're gonna do 6 times 5, okay? Down here, skip count by 5s to solve. You can use this, okay? Or you can use this. It's up to you. Okay, on this one, you're going to skip count, you're going to count 5s 7 times. So you're going to go 5, and what comes after 5 when you count by 10s? 1, 2, 3, 4, oh, 10, right? 15, good, 20, 25, well, how many we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, oh, 2 more, 30, 35. Whew, almost made it all the way across. Let's make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep. So your answer would be 35. Okay? Down here is a story problem. I think you'll be just fine with it. But remember, write a sentence to answer the question and make sure you have a capital and a period. And there's a name in there, so you're going to need a capital for the name too. Okay? Alrighty. On the back, same type of thing here. I think you guys will be fine here. This is a review of expanded form. Remember, that's when we stretch those numbers out. So instead of just 7, since it's in the hundreds place, this number is 700. And then the 8, since it's in the tens place, is worth 80. 8 tens would be 80, and then the 7 in the ones place is 7 ones. See how I expanded out? I stretched it out. You guys have done that before. I think you'll be just fine. Okay? All right. A day at the pool. We put our pool up a couple days ago, and we haven't really swam in it too much because it's been a little too cold. But I'll bet you guys are thinking about swimming and summer and what that's going to mean. And so you guys get to read this one. Remember, read it 3 times. Okay? And then down here, so all your answers are going to be found in the story, but down here you get to write if you like going to the pool and why or why not. And I'm pretty sure a bunch of you are going to say that you like it. But make sure you have capitals and periods, okay? All right. Taste and feel today are the adjectives. Okay, so same thing, it's asking what kind, but this time we're going to use our senses of taste and our senses of feel. So, we drank cold milk. Milk is the noun. What kind of milk? Cold, yeah. I think you guys will be fine on that. Down here, you're going to mark the sense that you used. So, did you use your sense of taste, your sense of smell, or your sense of sight to notice that something was large, that God gave the bird large wings? Yeah, you'd use your look, your sense of sight. Okay? I think you guys will be fine on this one. This one on the top says, write one adjective your partner used to describe an object on his desk. Since we don't have a partner, you could either do this with mom or dad or whoever's working with you, or brother or sister, if you have a desk at home and see what's on your desk, or you can just use mine. So I'm sitting here at my desk right now. It's actually my kitchen table, but I'm sitting at my desk right now, and I'm noticing that I have a marker, but I need to write an adjective. I can't just say marker. I need to come up with something about this marker. So I could say thin, or I could say purple, right? Or I could say bright, okay? I think I'm gonna say purple because I like the word purple. Purple. Okay, so if you don't have one to write, just use mine, that's fine. Okay, and I think you guys will be fine with these down here. It's the same thing as on the front, okay? Alrighty. For spelling today, it's gonna be about proofreading, okay? And you're gonna need to choose the correct spelling, and then you get to draw a picture that goes with it, okay? So, bunnies or bunnies, look at that closely. Remember the spelling words this week. It changes the Y into what? I-E. Yeah, so this is the correct, bunnies. If it goes to plural, it's I-E-S. If you just say bunny by itself, a Y is fine. But if you change it to bunnies, you have to do I-E instead of the Y. Bunnies are soft and furry. Hey, those are adjectives, aren't they? Soft, furry. They have small, which one? All. This one. That's an adjective. Fluffy tails. God gave them long ears and big feet. So you'll have to decide. Which one is it? That one. Yep, that's the one. Good job. Okay. They also have good eyes. These things help them protect themselves. Draw a bunny playing with a friend. All right, remember, friend is friend. Okay, so you'll have to find it, and then you'll get to draw your picture. And you can use your colored pencils or your crayons to color it, okay? Alrighty, that's Wednesday's work. Thanks, guys. Talk to you later.